Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get macarons in Hello Kitty Island Adventure. To begin, you will need to unlock the macaron recipe. This special recipe is a reward for reaching a specific friendship level with My Melody. Once you achieve friendship level 6 with My Melody, she will give you the recipe, allowing you to craft these delightful treats. Macarons are a fantastic 3-heart gift for several characters, making them very useful. Now let's talk about gathering the necessary ingredients for your macarons. Each macaron requires 3 distinct items: 1 flour, 1 egg, and 1 sweet cloud. You can craft flour from wheat at any crafting table. Eggs are typically found scattered around the spooky swamp area, so keep an eye out there. For sweet clouds, you'll need to venture to the Cloud Island region and collect them from the floating clouds. With all your ingredients in hand, it's time to craft those delicious macarons. Head over to any crafting station that has an oven or a cooking pot. Open your crafting menu and navigate to the food section. You should see the macaron recipe available since My Melody gave it to you. Select the recipe, and with your 1 flour, 1 egg, and 1 sweet cloud, you can now bake 1 perfect macaron. So, what do you do with your freshly baked macarons? These delightful treats are a fantastic 3-heart gift for several key characters. Specifically, My Melody, Hello Kitty, and Pompompurin absolutely adore them. Gifting a macaron to any of these friends will provide a significant boost to your friendship level, helping you unlock new quests and rewards much faster. Keep crafting them to strengthen your bonds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.